Hello, pandas. I don't know if you guys have noted this or seen it, but I upload a hell of a lot of videos. Um, and I actually just got a message from a friend asking me why I upload this many videos. For example, this is my fourth or fifth today, I actually think. The reason I upload so many videos is because it's easy for me to upload them, and I have a lot to talk about. Um, the only problem about this is that I do not have any schedule or anything about what I wish to talk about. I only talk from my brain right now. Everything I say is everything I actually think at the moment when the camera is on. So a good side and a bad side to the extreme level of videos I upload. Good things are if you guys are watching this and you are enjoying it, there's a lot of videos to look at, and that you can almost at any time of the day be entertained. entertained. Oh my God, Panda, we love your hate. Yes. No, but yes, this is also the one. This is a bad side about it. When I talk to you guys, as I said, I do not have any schedule. I do not have any paper I'm talking from. I do not have any points to say, okay, I have to talk about this. I have to talk about this. I have to talk about this. No, I don't. And that's the reason that there are kind of so many blank spots in my videos where I'm like, that's because I do not have anything to go from. I am talking from what I hate, what I love, what I'm feeling, what I'm doing, what I am thinking, what is going on up here. So, if you at some point are thinking, oh my God, he's just talking and talking, and nothing is really making sense of what he's saying, that's because I'm blank. That's because I do not have anything to talk about. And if that all of a sudden happens in a video, I will not pay attention to it myself, because I will not take a note. Oh my God, I'm just talking. No, I will not do that. I will not pay attention to that, because I like talking, and I like talking as much as possible. So yeah, short answer for that one. The reason I make this many videos is because I like making videos. It's easy for me. I have a lot to talk about, and I do not have to use time on making a list of things I have to talk about, because I have it up here. I talk about what I feel, what I wish for, and what I do. So as always, stay fat, stay panda. Love you guys. Bye.